So if you're looking for a weekend getaway in KZN, South Africa, we've got a great new 4x4 course called Clifton Canyon 4x4, built by Travis Duggen. We're in one of our Land Cruiser 200s, which has a new clip-on armored window system. Really cool. We're testing it out. No creaks, no issues, and it's completely removable when needed. Like you can see, we've removed the driver's and passenger window, but kept the rear windows. Those are B4 armored glass. So the vehicle itself is really heavy, and in wet conditions with 265 width tires, it does struggle to stay in its place. It wants to slide all over the place, especially to the side with its weight, as you can see in that clip. But the vehicle went through really well. We ran at about 1.5 bar of pressure. As you can see, the weight of the 200 is not allowing it to go up with its loss of traction in the mud, but when the vehicle slides back, it kind of goes in its own direction, and there's no risk damaging the vehicle. So we did try a few attempts. As you can see, not so successful. This is above Nightmare Creek, which I recommend you do not go through in the wet if you are a more beginner to amateur driver. As you can see, it's very slippery in the weight of the 200. I didn't want to overdo it by lining myself up to go down this horrible section, but that would be a great challenge in the drive for me, and I think I'll come back and give that one a shot. And here we are on the famous axle twisters. As you can see, my wife driving, it's a great way for her to learn as well, all about the 4x4ing and how everything works in the vehicle. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is a first for me, but it's really cool. The only problem is I don't think my car is gonna fit on here.
Perfect, great.
This is scary.
Let's go a little bit more into the tips. Yeah, I think you're good. Woo!
Holy shit, so cool. I feel like a big child. Oh my gosh, that is the coolest thing ever.